Hello, welcome back. Yes, we are going to do Navratna Pulao. A very simple pulao, too yummy. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Box. At The Purple Box, we make very easy and simple dishes which can be easily done at home. At The Purple Box, we encourage home cooking above food from outside. So let's quickly check out the ingredients of Navratna Pulao. You don't have to write the ingredients now. I will give you a list later. Just enjoy the cooking experience. Some basmati rice. Then some raisins or kishmish, pista badam or pistachio, kaju or cashew nuts, some tutti frutti colorful ones, and some fresh cherries. Then some whole garam masala. We will be taking some cinnamon sticks, cloves, green cardamom and star anise. And then some ghee and some oil for the cooking part. And last but not the least, some rose petals dried and some rose water. Now we'll take some milk and soak the cashew nuts, the pistachios and the raisins and keep them soaked for an hour. And we will soak the rice in water, normal water, for 1 hour. Now after an hour, let's get started. Add some ghee and some oil. Turn on the heat and then add the whole garam masala, the cinnamon sticks, break them so that more aroma comes out, and add the whole garam masalas one after another. You can also cook the whole dish in only ghee, but I prefer using a bit of oil because ghee is too heavy. I prefer giving a bit more whole garam masala. The quantity depends on your taste. You can change it. Now add the soaked kaju in the oil and then the kishmish and the pistachios. Now increase the flame a bit or whatever heat you are using and mix everything well. Allow them to get fried. See? They have started sizzling. Keep stirring in between so that they get uniformly cooked. Don't increase the heat too high. It should be on the lower side. Now add the cherries. I have cut them into small rings. Add the cherries and then again mix them well and allow them to cook for some time. After around say 4 minutes, we see that the cherries are softened. So now add the salt and the sugar. This depends on your taste and your requirement. And now it's almost ready for the next step. In between, I have boiled the rice which we had soaked. So we will take 1/3 of the rice. Just 1/3, remember, of the whole rice and mix it with the fruits and nuts that we were frying all this time. We will mix the rice with the fruits and nuts very gently. Just toss them very lightly, otherwise the rice will break. Now when it is done properly, then you add the rest of the rice and again with a very soft hand just toss them so that you don't break the rice grains. They look good when they are long. Do subscribe to our channel The Purple Box if you have not done it yet and press the bell button to get notification for the later videos. Now it's time to add the colorful tutti frutti. I just love them. Press the thumbs up button below to let us know that you have enjoyed watching this video. And add the rose petals. See, they look so colorful. Such a colorful palette. Last but not the least, add some rose water. And then mix everything together for the final time. As promised earlier, I am giving you the list of ingredients with the specific quantities written so that you can refer to this later or even share it with people who want to make this dish. See how colorful it is? It's a beautiful pulao. You can have it with any veg or non-veg side dish. We have transferred it to our serving bowl. I'm going to share it with my family. You also make it and have it with your family. In the comment section, let me know how they enjoy it. Till then, take care.